The output name fields can be used to describe each speaker location. It is always a good idea to fill these fields out, as this information may be useful in the future. Note that these aliases will automatically be applied to the identical output name field under the Input-Output Settings tab. The DSP preset menu is used to select the appropriate DSP preset for the speaker model connected to each output channel. Note that this menu is a duplicate of the DSP preset menu located on the Input-Output Settings tab. Changes to this menu in either section will be applied to both menus. Presets for popular Sonance products are preloaded into the amp for convenience. If the desired preset is not listed, it may be downloaded from sonance.com. For more information on importing and exporting presets, refer to Training Vignette 3.4.